Welcome back everybody. It's day 5 and as you've traversed the last few days you probably would have found that meditation is quite a solo practice. Even if you're in a group of 10 or 1,000 people, you're there with the eyes closed exploring that inner world, that inner landscape. You're guiding, you're directing and you're observing what's going on for you. So in a nutshell, meditation in itself is you and your mind. And you might have found over the last week, it's actually more about you versus your mind. How much is the mind controlling you as opposed to you and your consciousness being aware of that mind. Where you spend a lot of the time in a battle over trying just to be still, over trying to be present with yourself, with the breath, focusing the mind on that part of the upper lip, all these little things. And constantly you're being distracted by noise, by external sound, and you're bringing yourself back. So at day 5, I'm sure you've already written a lot of these complaints and issues down. But we're just at the beginning. So I started meditating over 20 years ago and I would sit for an hour, I'd force myself and I was in a constant battle with my body, with the pain, with my mind and it getting totally distracted, away, bring it back, away, bring it back and I would fantasize, I'd be lost in the story for probably half an hour or more. And the other battle was with time itself, trying to just wish time away, when am I there, when am I there? And it's not a healthy way and it wasn't really healthy for me to be doing it like that. And over time I did attend different styled retreats and meditation courses and I read some books as well. And I found out what you're discovering right now. Even though the time is short, that 4, 5, 6 minutes of time, 7 minutes of time, it's actually enough at the beginning. You don't want to be running a marathon before you've done the training to get there. You don't go to the gym and pump all these really, really heavy weights when you don't have that strength. So in essence, we're training the mind, we're developing mental strength, but we're also developing focus. So trying to bring mindfulness and awareness of what's actually happening, awareness to your thoughts, awareness of where the mind is. Is it over here? Is it lost in story? Is the mind focused on this part of the upper lip? In the beginning, in order to start listening and observing, we have to be quiet, we have to be still. And doing it for these small amounts of time is the way to develop that strength, to develop that mental strength to be able to sit for longer periods. And when we are physically quiet in the body and the voice, it's when we begin to realize just how loud the volume in our mind is. And it's no wonder that we suffer a lot with anxiety, with stress, with anguish, because of this constant chatter that's going on in the background of our consciousness. A lot of the times without us knowing. And that's why we're doing the practice. We're doing this practice to bring awareness to all that mind chatter and we can observe it, we can watch it, we can witness it, and over time our nervous system, our brain will start to help lower the volume of that chatter. Are we back again at day 7 and then again at day 8 as we start a new week with a new practice. So enjoy the next few days. So as you find your seat once again, you can roll the shoulders forward and back, moving the head, and then just allow all that conversation, all that sound, my voice from the last 2 minutes, just to slowly melt away, to ease and just roll off the body. Take a nice deep breath in. Sigh the breath out. The face is soft. The shoulders are soft. The eyes and the body are soft. That awareness at the upper lip where the breath is flowing in and out. If the mind is distracted, when you wake up to the distraction, just gently ease and pull it back to the physical body, to the physical breath, to that point on the body, on the upper lip. And just gently just bring awareness back into the body. Just notice, was the mind present at that point I started bringing you back? Or were you lost in thought, lost in sound or distraction? Without judgment, just awareness at where you were at that point. Move your head a little, roll the shoulders, just gently blinking yourself back up. And as we've done all week, just check in, notice what arose for you, write it down in your journal, make some notes, what was difficult, what was easy, whatever it is, whatever came up. So we've got 2 more days of this week left, and then on day 8, we'll start a new technique to get us into this meditative state. I'll see you then.